Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your foreign correspondent in resident in London, reporting for TV.se. I'm here to say that I'm actually here on the second day of the annual BVE event. BVE stands for Broadcasting Video Expo. There's been a lot of stores here, a lot of interesting products. Usually it's the world and his wife with regards to who is selling, who is buying. A lot of horse trading going on and a lot of interesting people. I just recently interviewed a man who is from a company called Candy, and he produces fudge. Can you believe that? Fudge. Anyway, this is a really great event. I've been attending the BVE event for the last 5 years, actually for the last 4 years annually. And every time I come here, it's always an interesting show because it's a trade show. It's everybody and anybody who's selling and dealing with the issue of broadcasting and media affairs. And as you can hear, I'm competing with the sound for the Adobe presentation, because Adobe has a presentation here for video editing because of its program Adobe Premiere. Anyway, this is me at the BVE event for 2019 in the last week of February, and it has been an enjoyable and once again a thoroughly thrilling time to come here and to see people and to have a chat. And people have obviously been wanting to talk about filming themselves. I've had a few remarks and a couple of people have wanted to know about how to get into the industry, and maybe anybody out there, for you Swedish people who watch this and know and understand English, perhaps maybe you can comment. This show will also be loaded up onto my YouTube channel for the purpose of being available for other people to watch outside of Sweden. Thank you very much, and I will continue to film here at the BVE. I'm a long way off from being done for today. Thank you very much. the foreign correspondent in residence for CoolTV.se in Sweden.
Oh, Sweden! Oh, wow,
Yep,
how
so
cool.
you're going to go out on Sweden.
Swedish TV?
On Swedish TV.
Swedish TV.
I'm interviewing and just having a chat with a man who actually stands out amongst the crowd.
Yeah.
And I will obviously say the reason why is because you have what is clearly and distinctly a steampunk tendency hat.
I do. My Mad Fudger's hat. My Mad Fudger's hat.
So he has a Mad Fudger's hat. Can you just explain to CoolTV.se, our audience in Sweden, what you are, what you stand for, what you produce, and why you're here?
Okay, I make incredible fudge. It's all very unique. It's a lot less sugar than normal fudge. My steampunk part of it is you've got to be a little bit mad in this business anyway. So that's how we started. We make lots and lots of fudge. I do about a ton a week. And we come all over the country and we sell fudge. That's what we do.
So what part of the country do you come from?
I'm from Bournemouth, which is seaside, which is right at the very bottom of England. So like today I'm in London, day after tomorrow I'm in Glasgow for 4 days. So yeah, truly international fudger.
And that is an interesting thing because normally you don't get somebody selling fudge in a BVE event.
No, you certainly don't. Maybe I am the rose between many, many thorns. I don't know, but perhaps that's why we've been busy. Maybe it's a novelty.
Okay.
Maybe. So yeah.
Well, in that case, would you like to just announce your company, because this will go out on Swedish TV and also it will go up on my YouTube channel.
Fantastic. Okay, yes, Eye Candy Fudge. I said we're all over all over England doing events. Eye Candy, www.eyecandyfudge. There you go. Fantastic.
Okay.
Lovely.
Thank you very much for the
Pleasure.
interview.
Absolute pleasure, my friend. Take care. Have a
Start again, please. Sorry.
VLT Sport Touch is a creative tool that enables reporters and presenters to perform live during the show, to highlight and comment or reproduce a specific instant of the game, of the race, that are of particular interest for their audience. We have a control surface with a software skin that can be adapted to any touch device, through which you can select the camera angle by just clicking on the screen. You can control the motion by adjusting the speed backward and forward. You have jog shuttle dial, move on. Then you can pause the action and just highlight a specific part of the screen. The nice thing is that it is just a software control interface, but the output of the picture is created by the video server. So you can have the view on the main screen. You can see that there is no image processing doing without this touchscreen interface, because all the dirty job is performed by the video server. You can have some live graphics, and it appears on the screen with absolutely no latency with respect to when you draw it. And you can have a lot of features. You can have clips pre-stored by an operator. You can just recall them by touching the button and then having it play. Since this is just a software skin, you can highly customize it, and just with a 5 seconds operation, you can just switch from one interface to another one, where you have exactly the same clips and basically the same function, but with only part of the buttons mapped in order to allow an easier experience.